Hello children, how are you all? Children, I welcome you all to the new class once again. Children, I hope you all are revising the video and completing the homework. Right children? So what did we learn in the last class? Let us recap. We have learned about the seasons. What are seasons? The weather which is same for 2 or 3 months, which will not change. The weather condition of a particular time for 2 or 3 months, which will not change, is a season. Right children? That means a season can be for 2 months or 3 months. Not like a weather. Weather will change after 1 hour or 1 day. Yes? So how many seasons are there? We have summer season, winter season, rainy season, spring season and autumn season. In summer, it is very hot. Yes, and we drink cold drinks and lot of water. Yes, and we also wear cotton clothes in summer. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. Right, children? And in rainy season, we use umbrella and a raincoat if we want to go out. Yes, in autumn season, all the leaves will fall down from the trees. And in the spring season, a new flower or leaves will grow on the plants or trees. Yes, we should always take healthy diet to keep us healthy when a season is changing. Right, children? So this is what we have learned in the last class. Today, let us learn about the movement of the earth. Right? So, movement of the earth. We all know earth is a planet and it is in a solar system. Yes, and all the planets move around the sun. Yes, there is a movement for each and every planet. How the earth moves? There are two different types of movements of the earth. Yes, there are two different types of movements of the earth. Number 1, rotation, and number 2, revolution. So, what are the two different movements of the earth, children? Rotation and revolution. Today, let us learn about rotation. Children, see this picture. It is a top spin. Yes, we all know what it is. Yes, we play with it, with this. We can tie the thread at the corner and if I throw it on the ground, it will spin. It will rotate. Yes, how the spin it is spinning? The same movement is applied to the earth. Yes, the same movement is there for an earth. Yes, so see the earth here. It is spinning like a top spin. Yes, this movement of spinning is called the rotation of the earth. It will rotate on its own axis. Children, do you know it takes 24 hours to complete the rotation one time? Yes, 24 hours. That means if we are getting 24 hours day and night, the earth has completed rotating one time. Yes, children, this rotation will cause the day and night. This rotation will cause day and night. We know what is the day, we know what is the night. Day is very bright with the sunshine, where we do all the works, we play, eat, go to school, do the homeworks. And night time is dark, where we can see all the stars and we sleep at night. Yes, we are getting this day and night in 24 hours. Yes, if the earth is rotating one time, that means we are getting a day and a night. Yes, how? How we are getting this? As the earth is tilted, so only some part of the sunshine is thrown on the earth. That means only some part of the earth is getting the sunlight on it. And the part where the sunlight is, that part is a daytime at that particular time. And the other part which does not get the sunlight, that is a night time. Right? So, complete earth will not get a day or night at once. Complete earth will not get a daytime. Indians, in India, if it is daytime, in America, it is night time. Is it possible if in India it is daytime and the same time in America? No, there is a difference. How we are getting this difference? If some part is getting light, where India is there, that part is a daytime. That means at that time we have daytime. And the other part will not get sunlight. So that is a night time for them. Okay. So this is how we get day and night. Yes. So the rotation will take 24 hours. Right, children? And to understand better, I want you to watch this video.
Children, you can see here the earth is revolving around the sun. At the center, it is a sun which is very bright. And the earth is spinning like a top, and this movement is called the rotation. Only some part of the earth gets sunlight at one time, and when the part is getting the sunlight, that part is a daytime. Right, children? And the other part which does not get the sunlight is the night time.
So, did you understand, children? Yes, this is how we get day and night. So, this is all for today, children. So, we have learned about the movements of the earth. There are two types of movements, rotation and revolution. Today, we learned about rotation. Yes, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and it will cause day and night. Yes. So, tomorrow in the next class, we will learn about revolution. So, read this, revise this video and complete the homework, children. Thank you.